Hi, so we are going live from the Women Inspiring Network, and today we have Malini Kapoor with us. Let me see where Malini Kapoor is. As you all know, Malini Kapoor is an actor and she's played multiple roles. And Women Inspiring Network came into shape, especially during lockdown. And we've had a tremendous response of women entrepreneur, business owners, media personalities, actors, everybody on our platform. And we had a 5 million reach in April. May we did the Winning the Lockdown series of positive voices of women across India, and that has got a good response. June, we just finished with our film series where we had noted filmmakers and actors who had multiple personalities, and we have reached a 10 million reach and has been tremendous. I'm going to just tell Ishita from my team here that please see where Malini is. Malini Kapoor, who would be joining us. Malini. I have sent her an invitation also. Malini has joined. So Malini is just joining us, and we would like to thank you for all your support, and we would love you all to spread your message to your followers so that they can join us. Thank you, Malini, for.
Hello.
Hi, Malini. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you so much for joining us. I
Thank
was
you for
just
having
telling our
me.
viewers a bit about the Women Inspiring Network. Women Inspiring Network was, of course, it had started a few months earlier, but it actually took shape during lockdown. In
Yeah.
lockdown, we did a webinar with 70 speakers where we had actors, media personalities, business owners, change
Yeah.
makers, activists,
Okay.
and it was a really great response, and we got a 5 million reach. May we did the
Wow.
June in May we did the Winning the Lockdown series, which had positive voices of women across the country on what kept them positive. So those
Wow.
videos are there on our website and on our Instagram account of Women Inspiring Network. They are under 1 minute videos. And June, of course, we did the film series, and we've reached 10 million reach. We had Shamita Shetty, Vani Tripathi Tikku, we had Meghna Ghai, and we had Revati. And so it was the filmmakers as well as actors beyond. I think Malini has a. So Malini has left, and let's see where is she again. I think Malini is going to be joining us soon. But for everybody who's here, July is our series for a sustainability pledge. What? Please give us. Feel free to give us a 1 minute video on the lifestyle changes which you have done. That is something which we would like you to sort of look into, and that would be great. Malini. Yeah, she's just joining us.
I'm back.
Yes, Malini. So, just to give a quick introduction about you, Malini. Malini was born in Calcutta and she's an Indian actor. And she's portrayed her talent in many television shows. And of course, you've acted with Anurag Basu and you worked in many, many TVCs. And maybe you will tell us a bit about your life as your journey, and throw some light on your journey and what you had been doing before entering films.
Well, like you did mention, I am a very simple girl from Kolkata. That's where I was born and brought up. And while I was studying, I came to visit my sister in Mumbai. My sister Shalini Kapoor, she's again a senior actor.
Okay.
And yeah, so I was like, "Oh, okay, I just want to try this, Didi." And she's like, no, 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 no. I know where, what is this gonna lead to?
Yeah.
So no trying and all. You are studying, you please study. And I was very keen to do my travel and tourism then, which I did eventually. So she was like, no, you better concentrate on that and no acting for you, because I was very young. I was like, what, 18 years when I was in Mumbai. So that's a very tender age, you know. Everybody feels very scared ki, oh, the timings are such, and all the other things. So she was like, no, 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 no. After you complete your studies, after graduation is done, maybe. But then I told her ki, no, it's just because I want to see myself once on screen. So then she allowed, and and the journey began, and there was no looking back. So then I started off with mythology, Jai Mahabharat. This is not the normal Mahabharat. This was the second Mahabharat that was made. So I did Jai Mahabharat. Then I did shows like Kumkum, Satya, Dekho Magar Pyar Se. These are all when I was like really young. I'm talking about my early 20s. That's when I did these shows. And then Hawaii happened. It was a number one show on DD1 for 2 years. It has even won an award. And yeah, so after that also I've done a lot of shows. The last being Yaro Ka Tashan on Sub TV. That's when I got the news that I'm expecting, and I might have to take a much needed break after 18 years of working. So yeah, it was only in Yaro that I got to know that, okay, Malini Kapoor, you need to rest now.
So, I mean, women can have it all. I have almost a 4-year-old. But
Oh.
tell us about your childhood. And you, of course, said that, your sister was always there. And did you have to convince your parents to get into the acting and industry?
Um, Not really, because Didi was already there, you know. So for me, that path had already opened. Their only concern was कि अपनी studies complete करो. After you do your graduation, do what you want to do. So I did. While I was shooting over here, I would go back for my exams a month prior to the dates. I would just mug up and get ready for my exams, give my exams, and come back. So I am a graduate, and I am also an actor. So I did what they wanted, and I also did what I wanted. So there was a balance that was maintained, thankfully.
Yeah. And tell us a bit about your passion for photography.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, ever since I was, I think, 8 or 9, I always wanted to start clicking pictures for others, of course. You know, I never thought at that time that I would ever be clicked myself, and I would have to pose and I'll be in front of the camera. So maybe it comes somewhere from the family, because my father's elder brothers, specifically one who we don't have anymore. So my Tauji, he was a photographer. So maybe I've got this from him. So I like to, kind of capture moments. I like to capture faces, portraits specifically. So then I thought maybe I could take it up like a second profession, which I did. I did a couple of portfolios. I did a couple of product shoots. But then, my daily serials kept me so busy that I could never really make it my profession, or my second profession, or a standby profession. So it just remained as my passion, which I am still doing, because Kian, my son, is 2.5 now. So we keep doing a lot of collaborations from home. If you follow my page, you must have seen we do a lot of branding and endorsements. So I click for him, which gets easier. So he has a photographer mama at home.
That's really nice. So tell us a bit, how have you managed to balance motherhood and professional life?
See, I haven't really taken up a daily serial yet. Just when I was about to, the lockdown happened. So that way, 12 hours away from home has not started for me yet, but any day now, anytime. So other than that, yeah, I have been working from home. Like the collaborations and the endorsements that are happening obviously need to be shot, and especially after the lockdown has happened, even the ad films, they send you a script and they tell you, okay, this is how we want it. So you please shoot at home and send it. So it is work from home, which makes it more difficult, because if we're shooting and we leave home, it's easier. out of sight, not out of mind. A child can never be out of mind, but still it helps a little bit, you know. But here you have work also at home, child also at home. So this lockdown has really tested our abilities to multitask.
So, so give us some tips on the engaging activity you do with your 2.5-year old, and I'd love to know a bit more about that.
Oh, there are so many. And I really, really believe in starting from our basics. Like, of course, he has a lot of toys, and because his masis and buas keep gifting him a lot of things. So he has a lot of toys. But still, what he enjoys the most is, when I'll probably get a few katoris from the kitchen, and some will have little dal and some will have maybe water. So and I'll ask him to mix it and probably chano it, or just pick it up from one spoon and put it in another katori. So for him all this is very engaging. और देखा जाए तो क्या है, you just need a little bit of dal, you need katoris, you need chammach. These are things that we already have in the kitchen, right? एंड सो या फॉर एग्जाम्पल आटा. सो जब भी रोटी बन रही होती है, आई थिंक हाफ एन आवर टू 40 minutes आई कैन कीप हिम बिजी विद आटा, because I would give him a little bit of atta and I'll tell him, okay, now let's make a bird out of this. So then we make a bird out of that. Then we'll probably roll it and say, okay, now we can make a snake out of this. So these are small little things, which they just automatically happened, because I remember playing like that in my childhood. We didn't have so
Yeah,
many toys.
yeah,
Neither
exactly.
did we have all these play areas. Now though, every second signal there's a new play area, which is very good. It's a very good thing to happen. But us वक्त नहीं था. So we belong to
And
the
now with the COVID, I don't know how many of us will go back to play areas at least this year.
true, true.
No, in fact, even with my daughter, she's always, washing her toys while taking a bath,
Yeah, true, true.
and she's four,
Kian
so
does the
you
same.
can do play doh with your maida and your atta, and also these are really good. I
Basic.
mean, I
These are
involve her. I have a terrace
basic.
garden, so I involve her in watering the plants in the evening.
Same here. Even Kian does that with me every day. And he's been doing that ever since he was just 8 months. So मेरी गोदी में होता था, and I would water the plants. So he's seen it तब से. So now तो he independently does it. So we have three windows in the house, and all the windows have plants. तो अब तो वो उछल के ऊपर कूदता है, and then he will say, okay mama. So then I give him the jug, and then he waters the plants.
And so, tell us something. How do you cope with stress and competition in your line of work?
um it's all here, like I always say, it's here. So however stressed you are, if you I mean however stressful the situation is, if you choose not to get stressed, you will not get stressed. But the moment you feel कि okay, choice है, I can either deal with it or I can just simply get stressed, because that's the easiest thing to do. When you don't
Yeah.
have to fight something out, you can just sit back and feel helpless. That's the easiest and the I don't know, but with due respect to people who go through this, I would just say that stress nahi, challenges are a part of your life. So if you're expecting life to be completely hunky dory all the time and no challenges, और अगर आएंगे तो I don't know what to do, that's when you get stressed. If you already know कि okay, life है, challenges तो आएंगे ही, all I need is the strength to deal with it. So
Sure.
half the problem is solved, right? You already know कि okay, this
Yeah.
situation is there and this will also pass, because
Yeah.
nothing stays forever. So if these basics are clear in your head, it becomes easier. So
Yeah.
for me, um, uh, um, I don't think competition has ever mattered to me, ever, because competition तो रहेगा ही, obviously, either this field or any other. But in our field it's a little more, because every day there are new talents coming up and they are bloody good, you know. So all these youngsters who come, and probably they would charge half of what we are charging probably. So I have an experience of 18 19 years. So if there's somebody who's just new, and is charging less and is a better actor than I am, why would the producers not take them?
Yeah.
You know, so it is a situation that you cannot avoid, and so competition to hoga hi wherever you go, and it's good when there's competition you perform better.
Yeah. In fact, I mean, it is very, very important to be mentally strong. And, I mean, do you do any sort of exercises or meditation to keep yourself, stress free? Would you like to
Yes,
give us
yes.
some tips on that?
Well, yeah, it's a very personal part of my life. I have been into meditation for more than 15 years now. I was very young when I got into meditations and listening to so called pravachans, because see, I listen to Brahma Kumaris, Shivani Didi. So you pick up, I listen to Sadhguru, I would listen to Osho. So there are these people who are there, to help. I went for Vipassana and they give you a 10-day CD. There's a pack of CDs that you can always go back to after, we do a course, we are very
Someone saying
overwhelmed.
voice is echoing. Let me just check on that. But
Uh-huh.
please talk about this 1 second.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let me say hi to everybody then. Hi, Gaurav.
So I think is the voice better now?
Why are you laughing, Reena Didi? My sister's laughing. I don't know why. She's sending all these laughter smileys. Okay,
Yeah.
yes. So, yes, I am into meditation and I try to do it daily. And it really, really helps because, and a lot of people have these notions, oh my god, meditation, it is very difficult. Hum kaise karenge? We don't know how to do it. So, for all you people who are listening to us and have an inclination towards peace of mind, towards meditation, all I would say is sit down with yourself for 15 minutes every day quietly with your eyes closed maybe, and for you that is the beginning of meditation. When we are quiet, we just quiet ourselves, we quiet our mind, and that's when the correct things start coming to our mind. So we are so cluttered all the time that we need to really calm down. So
Yeah.
sitting quietly for 15 minutes a day um, is a good beginning, I would say.
Yeah. That is true. And Ishita from our audience is asking us, how do you deal with negativity?
Yeah. So, yes, however positive you are, of course, there's a lot of negativity around you because there are a lot of people around you, and you need to safeguard yourself. So, like we were talking, if you meditate every day, or if you have your basics very clear up in the head, ki, uh, things will happen. You have no control over other things that are happening, but you definitely have a control over what you are feeling, how you are behaving, and how you are reacting. Because most of the problems are related to reactions. ये हो गया, now I feel like that. वो हो गया, feel like that. So ये भी हो गया, वो भी हो गया, but I am calm. And it's achievable. If so many people have achieved it, why can't we?
Sure.
Even we can. It's just that there should be this thing ki I don't want to be touched by negativity. Like I am very particular. Anybody who tries to pull me down, or anybody who tries to demoralize me, or this negativity around me, I slowly just cut off because I love my positivity and I would not let anybody
Yeah.
affect it.
So, one thing, Malini, for my team, for me and my young team who are working on Women Inspiring Network, which is also a movement, has actually kept us inspired. When we're hearing everybody's stories, and we've had different personalities, like we've had CEOs of media houses, actors, influencers, even, home entrepreneurs, bakers, and it's really kept us positive. Like we have a mental series which is going on, and they're young girls, high school students who've come out with their stories and sharing with us. And I feel world over the business has been impacted, but how we keep ourselves positive is
Yeah.
important. We all have to reset ourselves, look within. So
Correct.
this, like the Women Inspiring Network, I can say it for my team and me, it has really kept us positive. Today we are talking to
Yes.
you. We have so much to learn from you, and it's a learning exercise. I mean, now on the Women Inspiring Network platform, we also have a sustainability series. So, what are the lifestyle changes? So, we're doing new things, we're taking ideas and suggestions, and we've also evolved over a period of time. So, being positive is really important, because once you're positive, everything falls into place. So, for our film series, which we just finished, we had Inox and BW as partners. One of our other brands, my core business is public relation and social media. So, like OBT carpets came forward, they gave us the carpets, and they created this. We created this whole concept for them called the social fabric. So it's a charity auction where you could get a 20,000 rupee carpet for 5,000 rupee also. And the
Yes,
proceeds would go to the women artisans and weavers who have been affected by COVID, the
Yeah,
economically
yeah, yeah,
weaker. So
yeah.
it's actually time for all of us to be
Get
payback and
together.
also feel the gratitude. We have so much, and there are people who don't even have that.
Yeah.
So that is very, very important. Tell us
Yeah.
about what do you see yourself doing 5 years from now?
Not having another child for sure. I'm going mad with one.
Okay. I I
So,
I'm with you on that thought. I'm happy with one.
hats up to all these mothers who have two and three. From Shat Pranam.
Yeah.
So 5 years from now, probably, of course, I want to like really get back to my acting, but I see myself doing something else. I mean, I have been doing serials for 18, 19 years now, ever since I was a child. I was studying. But now there are so many other platforms. I love television, okay? I mean, I love doing television because you do that for months, so you get a new family, you play a character that you become so close to, so I love doing television, but for a change. And also because there are so many other opportunities happening now, whether it's the digital platform or other things happening,
Yeah.
I see myself doing something else also, I would say, if not just something else. So I see myself doing something else,
Maybe with
in next
photography.
time. um, I don't know, maybe something related to children. Digitally, I would want to do something, or maybe I also want to have my own acting school. So I don't know how is that possible. I have
With
no idea.
online, everything is possible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, but then still you need a lot of planning, because eventually there are people who come to you with a lot of hope. They come to you with a lot of hope कि अच्छा इन्होंने तो काम किया है. If they are doing acting classes, us out,
To
you know.
Malini's comment,
So
I'd
giving
like
that,
to say,
sorry,
no, no, continue.
yeah. So maybe I want to do something related to acting with all these new young talents who are coming and are clueless what to do and how to go about it. So maybe something like that is up
And
my
it
mind.
becomes easier. It becomes easier because now my daughter, she's not yet 4, she'll turn 4 next month. But she
Oh,
started the big school in Delhi. When you're 3 plus, 3.5, you have to apply for a nursery. There's
yeah,
nursery, KG, and class 1.
yeah, yeah.
So, if you have so once they start school, they have their own. I mean, of course, she's going to preschool also, but they have their own routine, so it becomes easier. I
Yeah.
mean, I remember after having her, I was going back to work within 30 days, you know, and I was
What are you
connected to my team
saying?
even though I was in the hospital. So, that's what
Oh my
entrepreneurship
God.
does to you.
Yes, yes, I know, I know.
And you have such a great following on social media, Malini. Please give us a tip. How long did it take you to reach the audience of 80K plus?
Well, Honestly speaking, there's no effort. It's just that I'm a very open person, you know. Okay, so some people are saying कि आप हिंदी में बात करो. So okay, sorry for so much of English happening here. तो आई एम अ वेरी फ्री पर्सन. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मेरी लाइफ में कुछ चल रहा है तो मुझे उसे छुपाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर एन एक्टर, तो बहुत कम चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो आप पर्सनल रख पाते हो. यू नो, कहीं ना कहीं से कोई न्यूज़, कहीं कुछ कवरेज, कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है. सो आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज वेरी ओपन अबाउट इट. मैं आई वॉज 3 to 4 months प्रेगनेंट जब से आई स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग माई पिक्चर्स बिकॉज आई हैड नथिंग एल्स टू डू. आई वॉज डूइंग दिस शो और हमें पता चलता है कि दैट शो इज गेटिंग ओवर. और उसी वीक मुझे पता चलता है कि आई एम प्रेग्नेंट. तो पूरी यूनिट में, कुछ 100 लोगों की यूनिट में सिर्फ मैं थी जो खुश थी कि wow, show is getting over, because I didn't want to leave the show. You know, Beena ji was so close to my heart. Beena ji was my character's name. तो और वो ऐसे कहती थी, वो कह कह के कहती थी और वो कर करके करती थी और वो बोल बोल के बोलती थी. दिस वाज हर अदा इन दिस शो. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा यार, मतलब मैं अगर आई हैव टू गो ऑन अ लीव तो कोई और बीना जी आएंगी. एंड आई वाज सो पॉजिटिव अबाउट माय कैरेक्टर. सो देन जब हमें न्यूज मिली सब टीवी से कि अरे शो ही बंद हो रहा है 1 साल के बाद, तो आई वाज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. सो आई फॉरगॉट व्हाट वर वी टॉकिंग.
You were talking about your serial and the dialogues. Maybe we're going to ask you to tell us more dialogues about your character.
हाँ, तो माई लास्ट कैरेक्टर वॉज लाइक दिस. तो मुझे कुछ भी बोलना होता था तो मैं बोल बोल के बोलती थी और कर करके करती थी. यू नो, इट वॉज ऑल लाइक डबल 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 डबल. तो वो अपने आप में एक मुझे अगर रास्ते पे भी कोई मिलता था, यू नो, आई वुड मीट एनी फैन, दे वुड ऑल्सो नो कि दिस इज हाउ आई टॉक एज बीना जी. या सो
And जब आप busy होते थे तो मतलब that must have also kept you. See, I also feel कि when we were talking about other things, अगर we are busy तो हम ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं है. मतलब you know, अगर कुछ negativity भी नहीं सोचते, so that is also important. So life में आपने you know, you have to put your everything in compartments. You know, इतना time work, इतना time.
yes, to this I would want to really say something. There are people who are obviously not working. You know, there are women who are not working. काम वाम करके वो फ्री हो जाते हैं और उनको समझ में नहीं आता हाउ टू कीप देमसेल्व्स बिजी. सो इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनी वर्क एज सच, आई वुड एडवाइज एंड से कि टेक अप taking care of yourself as your work for now. You know, like you picked up a very good point कि आप अब negativity से दूर रह सकते हो if you're very busy. Because वो कहते हैं ना, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर.
Yes.
So you have to keep yourself occupied, you have to keep yourself busy, and what can be better than looking after yourself? क्या होता है ना, वो एक रूटीन बन जाता है. आप सुबह उठो, ब्रेकफास्ट करो, हस्बैंड को काम पे भेजो, बच्चों को स्कूल भेजो, और उसके बाद यू हैव नथिंग एल्स टू डू. You are done. So you have the entire afternoon or you know, the day till night to just be. So there I would say कि start taking care of yourself, start exercising, and small little things like आप एक सबसे important, you should have a diary and a pen. It makes so much of a difference. मतलब सोच लेना और लिखना, इसमें बहुत फर्क होता है. मतलब I think it's double the effect, you know. So write down things like, okay, I have to exercise. Write down things like you have to have 4 bottles of water in a day. Write down that you will have a green tea.
I drink less water, so you reminded me I'll drink some water.
Please have water. So you know, these small little things like मतलब like I'm telling you, जब कियान छोटा था, I delivered him. I remembered that I had not even applied nail polish for over a year. You know, I just didn't cross my mind until one day that my friend said कि अच्छा listen, अब ये 1.5 साल का हो गया मालू, you need to start taking care of yourself. So we as mothers, as housewives, when we are involved in the house activities, we kind of tend to forget ourselves.
Yeah.
Which is where we need to mend our ways. So start looking after yourself. It's very important.
Yeah.
read if you like to read, sing if you like to sing. वो एक effort लगता है शुरू शुरू में, you know. I know of so many people who like to sing, but still when you tell them कि अच्छा ये हमने music लगा दिया है, now sing your favorite song, वो बाहर ही नहीं आता, because they are not used to it. They're not
Sure.
used to it. They're just so used to doing the other physical things, you know, that they're supposed to do, unlike what they like to do. So start doing what you like to do, and you will see the difference in your own life.
Yeah.
Negativity की
Even
जगह ही नहीं
even in
बचेगी.
the winning the lockdown, we got voices. People were doing yoga. Someone had taken to singing. Someone was, reading books. So tell us, which has been your favorite show and tips to become a good, for what does it require to be a good actor? Like, what skills does one need?
Honesty. You know, the last lecture I had gone to Jaipur to take a lecture with the art students there, and this is what I told them. I said you need honesty. So if you're playing a role of a witch, you can't expect or want to look like a princess. You know what I mean? So you just have to be loyal to what you're doing. You have to be honest. So if you're playing a witch, or if you're playing a negative role, you have to go all out and do the best that you can do if you were negative. You know,
Yeah.
you just have to honestly do your job. There can be no manipulation, and then your acting will be good. It would be appreciated, because I feel there is no right acting or wrong acting. There are different kinds of people everywhere. So if I cry softly, this is how I cry. But there are people who howl and cry. So nothing is right and nothing is wrong.
Yeah.
You know, so all you need to do is do your scene with honesty, and
Yes.
you will be considered a good actor.
Good act.
I feel.
So on that note, please do give us a winning message, a positive message to inspire our viewers, Malini, today.
Well, we already spoke so much about positivity, but I can go on and on, because I know this is the need of the hour, and it does matter, you know, जब आप when you're feeling low, और वो कोई एक ऐसी चीज़ आप सुन लेते हो ना जो आपको मैटर कर जाती है, तो I just so hope with all these people who are listening to us, अगर एक या दो को भी कुछ फर्क पड़े मेरी बात से, तो I will be very happy. So all I want to say, guys, is एक ही लाइफ है और एक ही आप हो. So just value yourself, value your life, and try and be happy. If you can be peaceful, superb. If you can be happy, superb. At least be calm. Outer things, see, even when we are using the word outer things should not bother you. Understand what I'm saying? It's outer. It has nothing to do with you. Your inner is your inner. You know, जो बाहर है वो आपको अंदर छू ही नहीं सकता, सिर्फ आप छू सकते हो. So you are only capable of upsetting yourself, or making yourself happy, or making yourself joyous. It's all up to you. So nobody is doing nothing to you. It is you. So give yourself that importance. Pamper yourself. Read good things. YouTube has so many good things. Instead of just listening to songs, why don't you just tune into some good thoughts, some good affirmations, and get up in the morning 15 minutes before your usual time, and spend those 15 minutes eyes closed with just yourself, and it will heal.
Yes,
Whatever
that
is
I believe.
troubling you
Even
will
if you
heal.
just breathe in and out, like for 10 minutes a day, that makes a lot of difference with yourself.
Yeah, and it's such a small practice to do, but needs a little bit of effort, you know. But हमें ऐसा लगता है बहुत effort की ज़रूरत है. अरे meditation करने बैठना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All you need to do is sit down with yourself, away from your phone, unless you've put some guided meditation on the phone. Away from your phone. Again, sit with your diary and pen. Whatever thoughts are coming to your mind, if you want, you can just write to them. Write to the universe, write to God, write to yourself. It's a lovely practice, you know.
And these days you have good podcasts and other things available online, you know.
Yes.
So on that note, Malini, Thank you so much for joining us at the Women Inspiring Network. And all our viewers who haven't already given us the sustainability pledge, please go to our Instagram account and please read about it and do give us a sustainability pledge. Thank you so much, Malini, for joining us
Thank
once again.
you. Thank you. It was a pleasure. Love to
Bye
everybody.
bye.
Bye.